One. So here I am having one more lab. Let's do here. I will power on this one and we will see. We can use any what we can say any routing in between the routers and the switch. Let's see here whatever the devices I have here. Let me do the configuration. So here I will take this console of this router. Maybe I have old configuration. We will check here in this device also. This is the R1 and here is the R2. I will take the console of R2 also, and let me take the console of switch also. Okay, switch, this is unmanageable switch I think, so no worries. Here also unmanageable switch, so I can take this machine console and I will take any server console here. Okay, so now let's go here and let's see here. First I will go to this machine. I will write root here and then I will change the name of the device here. Host name I can say this is the PC1, and I want to check do we have any IP address here. So I don't have any IP here. I need to assign the IP, so I will write here IP config Ethernet ETH0. Put the IP, whatever IP you want to assign. So here we can say 1.3. Okay, I will assign 1.3. Then you will write net mask. Give the subnet mask here. Okay, and root, you need to do the root. Same thing, if you remember in our previous video we told if you want to configure this way we will configure. So root add default gateway, and this is the whatever we have here. So we can use the same thing because here also default gateway is this one only. So let me paste the configuration here and then I can write if config. So we have the IP address and I will write root to get the root. If you see, I will get the root here after some time. It will take some time. So let's see, we have the default gateway also here. This is a gateway, whatever the gateway you assign to your machine, this one. And in the router I think I have some configuration. Let's see, show IP interface brief. I have the configuration here, and let me write I have any root here. Root is also there. So let me check I can ping the gateway or not. I will write ping 192.168.1.1. I can ping the gateway, and let me check I can ping the other thing also. I will write here like 12.1. I can ping this also here, you can see. So I need to check this server, do we have any IP here. If I have any IP, this guy can ping that server also. So let me go and check here. This is the server, so maybe username is Cisco and password is Cisco. Let's see here. Yeah, Cisco, then CISCO, Cisco both, yeah. And then I can go here. Do we have any IP here? We don't have any IP here, so let's configure the IP first here. Okay, first we will configure the IP here. So if you remember this command we will use, just you can copy the same command what I have here, paste here and change the IP here. So IP we have 2.2, so you will change here as a 2.2, and then see here what you are getting. If config operation not permitted, it config permission is not permitted. See here, before they are not giving us to assign the IP, so you need to write in the front of that one sudo, then you can assign, and you can check now. Let me check here if config, and now we have the IP here. Okay, now we have the IP, and if you want to assign the gateway, what you will do, same thing. But here I think I assigned wrong IP. Let's see here what IP I assign here, 2.2, so I assigned the correct IP only. Now we need to assign the gateway, so gateway will be 2.1. So let me copy, this is the gateway command, and we need to put in the front of that one sudo, and then you need to write 2.1, gateway will be 2.1. So I will write here 2.1, and then you can check. If you write root, you can get the gateway. So we have the gateway, everything is okay.
and you can ping from this PC to that server. So let's see server IP what we have, 192.168.2.2. let's see it is pinging now from here to here. And also you can go to the server and you can ping from server to the PC also.